If you've ever wondered how long it takes to open a Fidelity Junior ISA online, let's show you. You might just have time to drink a cup of coffee in the time it takes to set an account up. First, you need to head to our Junior ISA page, which you'll find under the Services tab in our main menu. Are you the child's parent or guardian? Great. Before we move on, let's stop for a second, as you'll need a couple of things to get started. Now you've got the information you need, we've got a simple form for you to fill in. We can't stress how important a strong password is, now more than ever. Choose how or if you'd like to be kept updated on fund analysis, views and product news, so that you can get the most from your investments. You need to take time to review this section as it's important. So, to make sure a Junior ISA is really for you, familiarise yourself with all the information on the list and check you're comfortable with it. We're nearly there. Now, you need to decide how you want to invest. You choose how much and when. We take your financial safety very seriously. That's it. You're ready to start investing. So there you have it. It really doesn't take that long, and now you're all set to building yourself a better financial future with us. We're looking forward to welcoming you and supporting you on your investing journey.